Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the air blast load over a protection wall, which is made with, let me replace here the part instance. These are the soils, and here we have the wood as a cover of the soil. You can see this is a wood with damage behavior, and this is the soil inside the wood. We use convex air blast load, and we use interaction as a surface to surface between the layers. And if I click here on this, let me now replace just the wood here, and let me make it feature edge to have a better view. See the wood, and here you can see the failure happen. See, these elements are removed here and here as the internal layers. Okay, this is the stress, and if I request the damage for it, here this is a damage as a compression for the fiber, because the wood is a something brittle material without plastic model, and it is elastic failure model, so we can use fiber damage for that. This is the tension damage for fiber, compression damage here. If I click on animate, you can see the damage which has happened in the wood, and this is the final frame. Tension model matrix you can see also, and displacement or anything else. Now let me replace the soils. These are the soils, and you can see the deformation of the soils here, and the stress, plastic strain, everything here, and in convex force, pressure, and everything. And let me see here the separation happen. And now let me draw the force displacement diagram. See, this is a force displacement. This is the maximum force of the protection wall, around 0.3 meganewton. After that we have engagement, decrease in capacity till here. If we keep it, we will get 0 for the value. Okay, so if you want to model the protection wall, which is made wood and the soil, and it has also reference paper and the damage behavior of the wood, you can use this tutorial. So if you want to provide it, come to our website here, abaqusfilm.com. Yeah, find the English tutorial or search the title in the search section of the website. Then you will have the geometry, assembly, step interaction load, and then the result as figured. You can see it here. So the cost for the CAE, INP, English video file, reference paper, and reference for the material is 30 euros. And consider this is the original model and tutorial, and you can find it anywhere. And you can use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Contact me to this email to tell you about the tutorials and the payments. Also, we have a full package containing more than 400 tutorials about all aspects of modeling and simulation in Abaqus. We mentioned these main titles here and the subtitles here. For instance, for explosion, for all methods, and we have lots of materials. You can check it here. Impact, welding, biomechanics, forming, crack, soil, CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, thermal structure, cyclic loading and seismic modeling, masonry, discrete element method, SPH method, everything, pull-out, composite material, steel concrete structure, everything. This full package really is exceptional things in the net. You can find it, you can't find it anywhere with this price because we will have and we will give you a good price for this full package that is so affordable for all people. Just contact me to this email to get the additional information about this full package. Thank you for your attention.